Yan ang age. 700 ito? 500. Okay, so it will be subjected to a positive moment. So, the rate factor ng AS, and here is the awareness. Okay. And pressure C, 9.7 megapascal. Weight, weight, 23.5 kilonewton and cube. FY, 415 megapascal. Stirrup size, 12 mm. Bar diameter. Yield strength of the stirrups is 125.
Aggregate size.
Okay. Then gear cover is
20.
40.
Aggregates, miss. Aggregates. Aggregates, 19.
19. The problem statement. 40. Okay, distance of the centroid is 70 mm. Okay. Part is to solve the
Steel area.
Steel areas.
Yes.
When factor
Third moment of 450.
MU is 450 kilonewton. Letter B, EN required
36 mm.
N of 36 no, or 25?
25
25
compression.
compression.
36 ang tensile.
N of compression part, which has a TP of 25 mm, and then N of tensile parts with TP of 36. And then let us see the side. Pressurized capacity of okay. For the design sa DRB, na-skip na natin ang part na mag-B proportion. Okay? So, ang mga usual scenarios or challenges kung mag-design kita or mag-resort kita into DRB is hindi na natin ma-change ang dimensions. So, fix na date na 400 and 500 ang natin na dimension. So, next natin sila is to check na lang if pila ang mga required steel areas, so we will compute AS and A prime S. Actually, ako na siya ang required sa letter A. Pero sa letter A, wala kami natin nabasa ang letter B requirement. Letter A, we cannot tell kung ang atom B will be reinforced or not. Diba? Eh, sa letter A, wala kami siya wala pa man natin nanabalaan kung may compression speed ba siya or wala. So sa problem, nabalaan na lang natin na mayroon siya sa compression speed because yun na-require sa letter B. Okay? So let's say sa letter A pala, we do not know yet na DRT na ba? No? DRT na natin. So ang letter A natin, we will check kung kinanglan ba natin mag-doubly reinforce or will stay in, or we will stay to a single reinforce. Even though hindi pa change credentials. Okay? So checking if the beam will be designed as SRP or here. So how to solve that? Ang iya actual raw. So if this raw, masolve na natin ang raw, di ba? Kaya ang ating tining formula sa raw is 0.85 and C over Fy 150 1 minus square root of 1 minus 2Rn divided by 0.85 minus C. Okay, where A ang ating Rn, yung already DSU over P squared. So just assume that the beam will be a ductile section so meron na talaga stress reduction factors. With that, values, kanan ng mga variables inside the equation of the row, compute na natin. Diba? So, once may value na natin in some row, we will check it sa ating row maps. We will compare to the raw max. If it would be greater than, then since hindi na naka-change sa ating dimension, nakatanan sa less than. If it would be less than that, design as singly reinforced beam because it will indicate that the section will be applied. Now, but if the calculated row will be greater than the raw max, then it is not okay for singly reinforced beam because kung maglapaw na siya sa raw max, dito na siya makatuto sa transition or compression control section. So, ang ginaulit-simo natin is in-adjust natin ang section. However, we do not have the freedom to adjust the section. So, ang solution natin nila is we will design this as doubly reinforced. Okay? Check natin natin kung ano ang iyang required speed ratio. Okay? So, let's assume ductile section. We have P is equals to 0.9. Solve for Rn. Mu 450 times 10 raised to 6. 0.9. B 400. B is
430.
that would be 500 minus 70, 430. So this would be 430.
Aspirin.
6.7604
Pascal.
Then the rho 0.85 f primes of C 12.7 divided by 415 1 minus square root of 1 minus 2 times 6.7604 divided by 0.85 times 20.7
0.0211.
0.021
21995.
0.022
Oh, miss.
22 na?
2 lang, miss. Wala ka 2.
Ito lang. Okay, then compare that to the raw max. That would be 3.85 at frames of C, beta 1 divided by Okay? So, aton nga beta 1
Lesser siya.
is equivalent
Greater
to
si Robin.
0.85
Si Robin.
or F prime sub C of 20.7 megapascal. Substitute, we have 3 over 8, and then a quantity of 0.85 times 20.7 times 0.85 divided by 4.1.
0.01351.
0.0.
135
Okay, compare
RB siya.
with the Romax. This is 0.0135. Okay, so this is the proof nga ang ini would be designed as
DRB.
a doubly reinforced
Beam.
Okay, since the dimensions are okay. So design as a doubly reinforced. Diyan. So doubly reinforced, two components ang aton nga beam, no? Kaya siya sa component nga SRB, tapos may excess nga rebar, may counterpart sa aton nga compression steel. Diba? So, amo na to ang aton nga AS1. So we have AS is equals to AS1 plus AS2. Okay? So, ini AS1, siya ni ang counterpart ang i-exist sa aton nga concrete, compression concrete. And this is equivalent plus so this is the component SRB or auxiliary reinforced, and then this one, this is your additional this is the component. Okay, so ini ang auxiliary reinforced beam natin, it should be tight. No? So the maximum value that it could attain para maging ductile siya is we have AS1 is equals to AS maximum. Okay? So we have already computed maximum rho. So therefore, we can solve AS max. And then this equals to rho max. Okay? Solution. And this is already our AS1. So compute for the AS1, this would be 0.0135. B is 400, B is 400.
2, 3, 2, 2.
2, 3,
2, 2.
2, 2.
All
All
number.
right? Okay. So, and then, okay. So, after sila, we have A, we have AS1, FY, we have 0.85 FY. This would be 2322 times 415 divided by 0.85 times 20.7 times 4.
136. 136.919. 9182.
136.9182. And then for C, that would be 8 over delta 1. This is 136.9182 divided by
161.020. Ay, 08. 02.
Okay? And then calculate the prime S. This would be C minus T prime over C 0.08. So this is 131.0802 minus T prime. It's 70. Then 161.0802 0.00. La
0.0017.
0.00169.
176.
Okay? Then solve for EY, FY over S. This is for 1,200. 0.007 na. So this is lesser than. Okay? So therefore, A prime S less than K. Okay? So therefore, F prime S is lesser than Fy. Therefore, A prime S is lesser than AS2. Or the other way around. Okay, sige. We have this relationship, diba? And AS2, wala pa tanong. Kaya lang tayo AS1, we don't have AS2. So A prime S, we don't know. F prime S, we can calculate. AS2, wala pa man F1. Atop. Calculate na maybe F prime S. Give it na lang.
Prime S times 200,000.
This would be equal to E
Prime S times ES.
Yes. And this is 0.00169
33.
times 200,000.
338. 338.
338.
I'm PA.
Wala na? This one, next. Ang ETY, kung i-solve, ang ET, kung i-solve mo na, ng 0.03. Okay, kaya nagamit nito nila, AS1 as AS max. Ano na solve? Ang ito may resisting, di ba? So, that criteria that your PMN is greater than equal to, or at least, okay, at least the minimum is PMN is equal. Okay, that's the criteria of both. So it's the other term for this. This is the demand, and this is the capacity. It's always greater ang capacity kumpara sa demand. Okay? So we have PMN, which is equivalent to MU, which is equivalent to P. Now, this would be AS1 FY D minus A over 2 plus AS prime S F prime S
D minus D prime S. D prime S may different.
Okay? So, ang P, we still are verify ko na, no? Ang atong section is ductile. So, wala ka lang galing yung sulat. So, we will write it down. By solving ET, this would be D minus C over C 0.02. Okay?
Is for third.
This would be 430 minus 161.0802 divided by 161.0802.
0.005.
And dapat 0.005. Okay? So this is ductile. Okay na name, 0.9. So we have this one, and na name. Ang unknown na lang din is A prime S. Okay? Ang MU, ang ito ang 450. Okay? So we have 450 times 1056. This is 0.9. AS1 is
2322.
FY 5, D430 minus 8, 136.9182 divided by 2 plus 8 prime S, F prime S, 338, this is 430 minus 70. Okay. Calculate na din natin ang 8 prime S. Ila? 1, 2, 4, 5. 959. 959. And ito na? 1, 2, 4, 5. 959. Then, we have this A prime S, F prime S, AS2, F prime. Okay? So this would be 1245.959,338. Then AS2, 415. The value of AS2,
1014.
1014.
0.7811.
7,
8.
1, 4, and okay. So therefore, for your tensile reinforcement, you will be needing, for tensile, you will be needing this AS1 plus
AS2.
AS2. that is equal to 2322 plus 1014.7814 watts. And for your compression steel requirement, you already have calculated 1245.959 mm.
336.7814. 336.
336.
3336. Tatlo ka 3.
Tatlo ka 3. 336, okay?
Miss.
78. Okay? Letter A na.
Steel shop.
Okay, so 1245 and 3336. When you shot on letter A now, the required steel areas when MU is 450 kilonewton. Okay, next, the quantity or the number of pieces required for 36 and 25 mm. For AS required, we have AB sa 36 mm bilang area of
1019.
1019 and squared. So therefore, N is equivalent to AS required divided by
AB.
This would be 86. 86.7814 divided by 80 of 25 then 491 and then N is required. That would be 1245.959 divided by 4. Ilan yun?
3.27 for
3.27
27.
approximately 4 pieces. This one
2.53.
2.53
537.
approximately 3. Okay? At hindi pa na tulad siya pwede i-circular, may check na ito kung kayo siya sa 400 mm width. Okay? So, check if 4 pieces na doon. Checking. Concrete cover and rebar space. Okay, so kung AS would be 436 mm, what would be the LCL? This is the largest. Okay. This is 25 mm. This is the EP, which is 36
Quarter.
mm, and then this
Quarter.
one, quarters, no, of 90, and that would be 25.3 millimeters. So, ang limiton, 6. Okay. And then with this, we will have our minimum is 2 times
40.
40 ear cover plus 2
2
times
12.
the stirrup size,
and
then plus 4,
4.
36 plus
4 minus 1
1
is 25.
times
36 correct.
356.
C 6
400.
and then
That's your
which
shop.
is lesser than our actual,
Therefore, okay.
yeah, 400 and then so therefore
Okay.
okay. Then for AS compression naman, kayo ay apat na 36 mas kayo gawa tatlo ka 25. Diba? So let's just check na lang. Yun na lang siguro. So A prime S na doon, it's P 25 mm. Okay? So here's minimum reverse spacing niya is 25.33
5.33.
mm, diba? And then, consequently, the A minimum is equivalent to
254.
kila?
254.
2,
54.
254.33 or wala?
Sala.
254 point kila?
Sala.
229.
Ano?
229.
229.
229.66.
229.
0.66.
60.
66.
6 mm. So still, lesser siya po sa B
B.
na to na 400.
Therefore, okay.
Therefore, ang ato kiring final answer is S for 36. That would be 4 pieces. And N for 25 mm. That's B. Okay? Then letter C, letter B. Letter C, the flexural design, flexural capacity of the beam with values or reinforcement of the beam. Okay?
Bayad.
Sala?
Chapter, miss.
Okay? Questions? So letter C, PMN, which is P, then AS1, FY, D minus A over 2, then plus A prime S, F prime S, D minus. Okay? So based sa nakuha natin na results sa item B or sa requirement B, we have A prime S,
1, 2, 4, 5.
A prime S of 3, 25, which is 491. And then we have an AS of 4, 101.
1473.
With an 8?
1473.
1473. And squared, or this one?
4076. 4076.
4076.
40. So 0.9. 4076.
Okay? So, in a part, we do an adequacy checking or analysis checking kung kapasa na ito pipili nga mga remarks. Start na siya kaya nga ito i-figure. Ang required natin ng A prime S is 1, 2. We provided 1,400, and then for AS, required is
3,000.
3. Someday we provided 4,000 as area of speed. Okay? So, pa natin nga compression speed. Hindi na lang siguro, diretso na lang. Nakita man natin sa design natin na wala siya activity. Okay? So, calculating C when A prime S is that. Okay? Ano nga procedures ini? Ano? Ganito ginagamit natin na rin. At AS
A prime.
Y is equal to 0.85 versus C 80, which is delta 1 C times, wala na daw, A, B, so B. Okay? Then, plus
A prime S.
A prime S,
Or times Fy.
F prime S is,
Fy times F.
ano yan eh? So, C minus B prime over C times
0.003.
Okay, AS 4076, 415, 0.85, 20.7,
Hi guys.
5,
Sugar
C, 400, plus 1473, C is, we don't know, 70 over C, and ilan? 189, 5732. Okay, verifying if wala din na siya nag-yield. Compute for the tensile, the strain. We have 189.5732 minus 70 divided by 189.5732. Then multiplied by 0.0.
Zero point zero zero one eight nine.
0.00189, then compared to the yield strain, which is 0.00
2075.
2075. Okay, so lesser than, so therefore that's not. So, kailan ang value sa C? Now, so computing the A, that would be delta 1C, 0.85 times 189.57.
161.
Okay,
161.
1.137.
137.
137.
72.
Okay, then this one. What's next? Ang
Ductility.
E. Diba?
Ductile.
We have E minus C over C is 0.5. So this would be 430 minus 189.57 divided by 189.57 0.0.
0.005.
Ilan?
0.005.
5? Exact?
3.8 naman.
3.8? Okay. 3.8. So, wala siyang pasok. 3.8?
Oh, imo,
Okay.
ikaw
Then, this would be
Sir, kasi ako pa.
compared to
Ang A na gamit mo.
0.005, no? So this is
Lesser.
lesser than, and this is also lesser than 0.04. Okay? So what to do? Change na to atong sector. Okay? So it's either reduce the diameter, reduce the quantity, cannot change the diameter. So nabrown na to. The this is letter B. So ang AS natin diri is 4. So 4 atong AS diri, ang A prime S natin is 3.
3.
So we can have,
Buhinan,
may nag-yield siya, no? So we can do this as 3 pieces. Tapos ini 4. Una natin
Sa steel.
pag gamayon natin ng AS, panabuo natin ang compression steel. Okay? In terms of complete cover and reverse spacing, kapasahin lang, ini apat, i-reduce natin siya. Ito. So, may ko siya ka. This is the minimum. At wala siya nag-yield. Wala siya nag-downslide. Ini, ego siya gapon in terms of cover and reverse spacing. Ini naman, ego siya check before apat na 25
2739.
ego siya gapon.
Pinura din yun yung place. Super fast.
May ego siya, if i-pursue mo na rebar design, then you will have a compression control section. Now, hindi siya allowed to go. Okay, nagtako na siguro sa ES. Kaya nga ito yung requirement is only 336 lang. Okay, so revise.
Ito yung test mo din. Sa
So A prime S, AS, that would be 3. 1019.
3057.
Then A prime S, that would be 4. 498. Then
3057.
3057.
57.
And then
1964.
4. Okay. Then repeat this process. Navigate again. C.
Paano? Anong reason din? Sama kung
We have AS at Y. So AS number
Winan ko ang kontak
3057 or 15. Then 0.85, 23.7. Beta 1, 25 C. Then times 400 plus
3 ay 19
C prime S.
1964
19
64
4
C
C
minus
70 C times
6
125.
1
25.2108.
2108. Okay, check for E prime S.
One.
Say 105.2108 minus 70. 105.2108 times 0.2. Bila?
0.0013.
113.
0.0013.
Mas nagamay po. Nagamay po.
Lesser than the
ETY.
ETY
0.00.
yield. Okay, then yield for is 430 minus 125 to 108, then 125.2108 minus 20. Kailangan, nag-effect niya kung gamayon ka 0.007.
Okay na siya.
0,
7.
3.
3.
3. Okay. So this is already greater than 0. Okay. Note. Okay. This would be entire exception. Now, question C, if it will satisfy the 450 NEA, AS not required is the required na 3336, no?
0.7814.
Yeah?
7814.
7814. Then,
So,
NEA,
1245. 1245.
we have here
45. 959. Okay siya na yun. Precise na yun din.
Okay? So, dili o, na lesser na dili, but dili na niya na dili. Okay? So, we'll see kung kaya niya i-resist ang 450 kilonewton. Even though nga ang AS is lesser than the reward nga 33 something area. Okay.
So, sorry.
Compute for A, that is equal to 1C, 0.5 times 125.21. 08. Ilan? 106.4294. 4292. Okay. And then, tapos na sumakwa ang AS1, correct? We have A, AS1, Y, 0.85, and fraction C, B. So this is equivalent to 106.4292. We have A prime S. Does it yield? Sige, that's right. Now, 106.292. We have here AS1, 415, and then 0.85 times 20.7, then 400.
1804.94.
9367. 7.
Okay? Dili, sa compression steel, the F prime S is ES as 3 times the modulus of elasticity. this will become 0.0013. And
260
0.
MPa.
Then for A prime S, no? Equals
AS2 FY.
F1. A prime S natin,
1 to 1964.
1964. Then
260.
AS would be
41. 1230. 4578. 78.
AS is 1 plus. Okay, AS natin provided is 3057. AS1 unknown, then plus 130.457. May difference?
Oh. Thanks.
Yeah?
1826.
18.54.
5422.
Okay, so I'll use na lang this one. So we have mas reliable thing compared to this one. Because in the real in nato the rounding off, halin na sa pag-compute nato sa C. Okay? So AS1 will compare this to the AS max. Ano AS max niya? Sabi na sa A or sa A.
Two three two two.
2.3.
Ano na miss?
Wala na lang. Okay, so let's start that.
Okay.
Okay na din. Siya naglabaw sa yes, box. So next, ang strength criteria. Kung kaya niya PMN. So, dactile na niya, no? Sorry.
0.92.
You can use 0.9.
AS1.
Then AS1. Substitute ko na lang.
1826.
Is 186.54 415. We have here 430 minus 8
106.
106.492 divided by 2 plus A prime S actual 1964. And then F prime S 60 or 30
Four two two. 422. Hindi. 495. 55. 55.
4955 times 10 is 6, no? Newton.
Meter.
This would be 42.4955 kilonewton. Lesser U is 450 kilonewton. Report?
That's safe. Revised.
Okay? Kung naman natin yan natin. Change.
Mataas. Ay,
Okay?
wait.
So, design process sa DRB, Classic siya para sa analysis. Pero mag-play around ka sa inyong skill area, dito kayo magbayan. No? Kung mag-pili ka na din sa actual ES. Dito ma-change. Na-change na to sa nag-change na sa quantity. So, panubuan natin tensile. So, ako na siya gali ang effect, even though mas dako siya po ang mga compression steel. No? So, next natin round is, ako na lang natin 36 mm. Ibig nga 4 pieces, we'll try to check kung kapasar ang 5 pieces. Okay? Ilang gani ang AS max natin? 2, 3, 2. So, nagamit lang natin for 3,057. That is 1826 lang. 1826.
4 na siya.
Difference 2, 3 versus 1826. For AS2, for A prime S, ang nagamit na lang is 1230 from the 1964. Kung 5 pieces to 36K ko siya sa minimum 400.
Hindi, men.
So, kung mag-fight kita sa 25 mm, then, if mag-fight kita dira, magamay ni ang alo din nga, break. Ini. Okay, so wala siya ng yield ng kanila 40.
Wala.
Wala siya ng yield. Pila to ang nag-inabla na natin nga, hindi gilid. Pila siya ang A prime o AS2. Pila siya AS2.
Ano yung 104?
Dili sa una nato na ang sa kaduwa tayo, division 1 is to nato is 1 to 30. So sinigong sini, we are using only 1 to 30 out of 1964 we can provide nato. Okay? Dili. See? 1 to 30 man?
1014, men.
134.
Ilan? 10
14.7814.
point
7814.
7 8
Ang kaging.
4 and word. 101.
Okay.
So 1014 out of AS na 147.
Sa A mo na. A.
407. Okay, good night. Na 4 pieces niya. For revision 2, we have AS 4, 1019, and A prime S 4, 49. So this will be 4076. kung namuo naman nato, what would happen? Ini naman, 1 times 4. Okay. Again, calculate C. That would be 4076 times 415. Then 0.85 times 20.7. 0.85 C.
400.
400 plus 194
C.
C minus 70 over C by yeah. 1, yeah, 167,
0.9
point
9005
9005. Okay, check for redness and straight sa left side. This would be 167,9005 minus 70. 167,9005 times 0.2. Minus 167.905 minus 167. Ilan na yung babaw?
0.3017.
00?
017.
017.
17. Yung ilaw, 69, di ba? Itong
189.
isang ano pa lang siya.
189 yan.
No. 118. Andrea, okay, sige. This one.
0.00468.
0.068.
0468.
8. Dili siya sa transition. So this one, this is lesser than 0.0025. Tapos A, lesser than 0.05. Pero 0. Okay? Okay na din, no? Kaya pinasyoba natin din yung wala siya. Okay? Okay, tapagin talain. Ay gusto niyo din mag 0.005?
Okay na.
Ha? Okay, kaya mo siya, real. Diri ang una natin din calculate is sa nakuha tani ang reward. Okay, we set na ang ining AS dili. May na siya sa AS1 which is equal to
AS
max. Okay? So, meaning, in 336 na doon, may na siya sa AS max. Tapos, pagpili na doon sa rebar, nag-increase pa nila to 4,000. So, meaning to say, ang required nila is T3, pero we-provide na siya sa 4,000 something. So, kung ano tong AS max, AS1, itugaman siya. Kaya diba, kung maglabaw ka na sa AS max, you will be going to your compression control na failure. So, mo to siya sa direo na 0.038. Okay? So, diri naman, sa revision 1 naman natin, injutayan natin ang aton nga tensile. So, from the 33 something, nag-provide ng 3,057. So, meaning, tinubuan natin ang aton nga AS1. Okay? So, that's why diri lalo naman siya kalayo sa 0.005. Okay? So, ano lang, ang iyan niyang implication or impact niya sa aton na section is ang iyang square capacity. Nawala siya niya. Hindi niya kaya i-resist ang 400. Ini, kaya niya resist ang 450 pero in terms of failure, hindi niya mapasar sa dati. Okay? Namo na siya kung PRP ang section, you need to find a balance between your tensile reinforcement and the compression reinforcement. Yan, dapat napasar siya sa mode of failure, which is the TDP or ductile section, and as well as napasar siya dapat sa stress criteria na dapat mas kapo siya sa NU and demand sa aton loads. Okay? So, I just push through. Alam ini? Okay? Kaya isa ko nakita na possible pag-get the solution for this is to change na lang din sa rebar size. Okay? But since na-stipulate na din kung ano ang rebar size, we'll just stick na lang sa dira. Okay? So, 8. Solve for 8. This would be beta 1, 6.85, 167, 905. Yeah, 142. 715. Okay, so reaction F prime S would be 0.0017 times 200. Pag-compute na mo F prime S, amo na git niya ko. Or ano git siya yan, naka Fy over ES. Ay, ako na, diba, EY ni, ang EI, di ba na exact values, ina-store na siya, tapos kinamultiply ng 200, or inilang, tapos kinamultiply ng 200.
Ara lang.
Ay lang? Balit tanan. Nakatanan. I-store na siya. Tingalaw ganin ninyo ng mga F-reference, puro mga whole number. No? So, dapat naka-store na yung mga values, especially mga small numbers, such as the strings. Kaya dako na yung iyang effect kung i-early round off siya. Okay? Diba siya ito, hindi na kapasa ito? Kinakalangan na ang apat tatlo. May Japon ka pa sa? Sige, Philly. Exact value of F-reference.
349.
Yeah?
349.
349, exact.
0.8518. 8518.
65.
85.
8518.
Okay, then. Wala na, no? Sige naman. ES2. So, madali wala siya nag-yield, okay? ES2 equals to, yan ang panalang na, ES2 that would be A prime S,
F prime
F
S.
prime S divided by A prime S provided, 1964. Then 349.8518 divided by
1655.
16.6
6844. 844.
and then AS1 is ES minus ES 4076 minus 1655.85 6A.
24. 2, 4, 2, 0.
2,
4, 2, 0.
ilan?
2, 0.
2,
Point.
3156.
A1. Ito AS1 ilan?
1826.
182. So, na-check natin. Ang AS1, dali wala. Wala na? Check din yung AS1.
Sure, pagod sa iyo.
Ang wala yung effect ng
Ala! Hala! Sabahin mo na. Nag-connect siya. Nag-connect siya, miss? Oo, Dra. Guru, miss? Isa, sabi niya iya. Full target. Restart ko lang. Restart ko lang. Hindi.
Mark, ikaw sa
Restart ko lang.
Sumala, gusto ni sabi ko. Okay, sige. Ninyo, ilan to? PS1? Last? Ilan? 2? 4? 20 points?
3, 5,
3? 1, 5, 6. Ilan to dito, Sophia? 2? Yes,
1655.
Hindi, ang Andrea.
Ang yes, 1. 215. Right?
Ang starters na ito na yun. Ang 2420 dito ito yung sa second division na natin. 2?
Hindi, 2, 3,
2042? 2042.
AS1?
Ang AS
AS1.
23 some 23 ano mo sabi mo?
3, 2, 2, 2, 3.
Dili 2042.
AS1 is called
AS1 bali
Why?
this would be AS2 naton. So AS naton AS1 plus AS2. Ang AS naton is 4076. Then AS1 minus plus 1014.78. Sila? 3061.218. Yan. Diba? So, versus sa AS Max, nga 2322, nilayan dyan. Diba? So, nagsubra ka mga 800, ano? Mga 600 something. Diba? Na sin area. Sa dire, sa second division natin, i-versus natin siya sa AS Max, that is 2322 mm squared. yes, greater than, pero na-check mo na doon nga, napasar siya sa 0.04. So, lapitan ay 2, 4, and 2, 3. So, 100 plus ang difference nila. So, that's why, na-fit na siya tani ang taktay. Okay? So, ang kagina, ang first revision natin, ang AS1 natin diri is 1.8. So, amo to siya, mag-reverse sa 2.322. Ang effect niya, may layo naman ang iya nga pagkadaktay naman. Although this is dapat, ako hindi dapat. Ako hindi dapat sa 0.005. However, diri sa strength, hindi naman siya pasar. Okay? Okay siya to all that time, pero in terms of stress, hindi siya pasar. So, mag-fail mo sa gapon at the end. Okay? So, this is the most probable compromise natin nga acceptable sa code, although we do not know kung it will fail ductile or compression. Pero, since kapit siya sa 0.005, meaning siya to be ductile. Okay? So, ang ating next nga result is ang PMN na. Nato? Ang iyan ay strength reduction factor. Okay, so since ang aton ni EP, since EP is lesser than 0.005 but greater than 0.004, therefore this is in the transition zone. Okay, and then the transition zone, we need to recalculate the fee. Diba? And ang fee natin will be equal to 0.25 plus
25
quantity
EP
minus
EPY
divided by 0.05. 5 plus 0.25, then this is
0.00468
minus 0.002, 0.75, then 0.5 minus 0.0.
Sala.
0.8726. Okay, so PMN. Check na lang natin 0.8726 would be PS1 nga 2420 0.3156 415 times 430 minus
142
plus 8 prime S 1964 F prime S 349.8518 then 430 minus 7. Pala ko na lang yun.
196.
Pila?
496.
4, 5, 6.
96.
496. Point.
299.
2.
994.
10. This will be 496. Point.
530
Hindi na rin ang 496.
kay Red.
Ano na pinagin?
530.
530. Point?
186.
1? 186. Semester 3, 6. Okay?
Yes.
This is the most probable compromise. Kung apat ka 25, kayo ko siya, di ba? Nato ganyang apat na okay. So, at P natin, kanina, ang answer natin is 36 mm, 4
Pieces.
pieces, and then for 25
3 pieces.
is 4. Okay?
Per.
Then, let's say we'll sketch this one.
Okay na ito kung pizza 3 pieces.
This section. Apat. Ilan siya dapat ang ito? 40 plus 12, 52. 52 plus half of 36. Ilan? 70 man? So if 70 na 140, so mabigay mo 60.
60.
So kung 70 na dili, dapat dili sa babaw sa 25 mm. 70 na. Okay? Okay? Okay, ano na siguro? No? In terms of complete cover. For complete cover top. Complete cover top. We have top course. 41. And then meron on the side.
70 plus
That would be
70
70
minus
minus 25 over 2 minus 12. Then, ito naman, same, di ba? So, parehas lang ni theory, theory. Okay, parehas lang sila, isulat na siya. 70 minus 25 over 2 minus 2. Parehas lang. Ini ang CC1, ini naman niya. You follow?
yes, yes.
Pwede over niyo. Here, this is your CC1. Hindi naman ang here today. Parehas lang yung answer.
45.5.
40.
45.5. 40.
Okay? Another greater than 40. Okay? For the bottom bar, the same on Japon, your CC3 is equals to CC4 or complete over 4. Area natin nga, complete over 3, and this one complete over 4. Okay? So this would be 7 minus 36 divided by 12. Will answer?
40.
Okay? As to the rebar spacing,
3.
hindi mag-over sa dua. Ang rebar spacing na, dili 36, di ba? Dili 25 and 33. So for the top bars, actual spacing of the rebars is
36
equivalent
to 60 minus
minus 123, so 125 divided by 123. And then for the bottom bars, the actual rebar spacing is 60, tatlo 36, and then divided by ilan days mo?
66
Sa
61.
bars may rebar spacing?
61.667
61.667
667
and sa dalom
50.67 0.67
507. Minimum natin sa top bars 25.33. Greater than 8.
36
Tapos sa bottom bars,
36.
minimum natin is 36. Okay, that will be our answer for this.
Hindi ka answer sa sabi sa number 2 ay sa
Okay na? Question sa TRC.
sa DRP.
Okay, no questions sa W reports? That's the end na sa analysis and design natin for lectural members. And as you know, kung beans kaya yung natin nga gina-analyze or design, it will not only be resisting moment, but also shear. Okay? So, for shear stresses that could be possibly developed sa beams, we need to design the reinforcement to resist those. Okay? So, that's chapter 8 of the textbook. And that is shear and diagonal tension. Okay? So the objective of today's reinforced concrete designer is to produce ductile members and provide warning of impending failure. So to achieve this goal,